In this video, I'll show you how to wrap text around an image in Mailchimp. Once you are on your Mailchimp account, the first step is to head over to the navigation panel on the left-hand side. And at the bottom, you want to click on the second option, which is Campaigns. Now, once you are on the Campaign section, simply head over to the campaign in which you want to edit. This will be My Canva Design. So on the right-hand side of that campaign, head over to the Action section and click on the Edit button. Now that will take you to the preview of your campaign. From here, you want to head over to the bottom, which is the content section. And on the right hand side, simply click on the button to edit the design. Now that will take you to the builder of your campaign. Now, in order for you to wrap an image around a text, what you need to do is simply add an image block. And what we will do is beside those image blocks, we will add a paragraph or a text. Now, let's say that on this image block, we want to add a text on the left-hand side. So on the content block section, at the bottom, head over to paragraph, simply hold, and whenever you drag, you want to make sure that this should be on the left-hand side of the image. Once you do that, this pop-up will show. Now what we need to do next is add another paragraph text, and this should be on the right-hand side of the image block. As you can see, we now have an image block with a text. Now, the next step is to add an image. So from here, I will just simply upload or browse an image. Now, once you have your image, simply click on an image block. On the left-hand side, you want to set the size as scale. And from here, you want to scale it to the maximum in order for it to take over the whole frame. Now, the next step is to add your paragraph. So from here, I will add a simple paragraph. Now, whenever you have a paragraph, simply click on the text block. At the top, you want to set the alignment, which is on the right-hand side beside the insert image, as justify. You also want to do the same thing on the right-hand side. And as you can see, we now have a text wrapped around an image. Now you can simply scale the image into how you want it to be. Within the text, you can also change how you want the size to look like. And that is the best that you can do in order for you to wrap an image around a text. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Please let me know if you have any other questions in the comment section below, and I will try my best to help you out.